Who's this, Darrow?
Dodgy looking type.
Hey, stop right there. What do you want?
Sorry, I'm looking for work.
What do you do?
I'm a performing artist.
Oh, that'll be right. One of them non-essentials.
Failing that, I'm looking for enlightenment.
Well, you have come to the right place, mate.
We're a cult.
Oh, great. I love a good cult.
Big one, Brian. Harry Rachel.
Bag one.
Big one.
Oh, big one, sorry.
Okay, now you're going to work all day and all night.
Sounds good.
And there's no sex.
Oh.
This is a celibate cult.
Oh, that's disappointing. Still.
I'm not celibate.
Okay.
Come and have a cup of tea.
Cup of tea. Good.
Nice jacket. After you.
No, I'm pretty sure I was vaccinated as a child. And no, I didn't see any 5G towers, as far as I know. This is very interesting tea. What is it exactly?
It isn't so much what it is, it's what it does.
Oh, I see.
Meow. Meow. Yeah. Get out. Get out. What'd you give him?
I think I must have slipped him the wrong one.
I wanted a workhorse. Meow. 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 Not a cat!
Sam, welcome to the family.